The check engine light comes on, and fear immediately appears. But is it something serious, or can I keep driving? The truth is that this small yellow icon does not mean just one thing, but rather that the car has detected that something is not working as it should, and in most cases it is not an immediate catastrophe, but common failures that many people ignore until the problem grows. One of the most frequent causes is something as simple as the fuel tank cap being loose or damaged. In modern cars, the EVAP system is responsible for sealing fuel vapors, and if it detects a leak, no matter how small, the light turns on. It does not affect engine performance, but it does affect emissions, and many times the solution is as basic as tightening the cap properly or replacing it. Another very common cause is the oxygen sensors, which are responsible for measuring how much oxygen remains in the exhaust gases. So the ECU can adjust the air-fuel mixture. When one of these sensors starts to fail, the engine may consume more fuel, lose efficiency, and pollute more, even though at first glance everything seems to be working normally. Ignoring it not only increases fuel consumption, but can end up damaging the catalytic converter, which is a much more expensive repair. There is also the MAF sensor, the mass airflow sensor, which tells the engine how much air is entering. If it gets dirty or fails, the mixture becomes unbalanced, and symptoms appear such as jerking, unstable idle, or lack of power. Many times it does not need to be replaced. Proper cleaning is enough. But if it is ignored, the car will continue to run poorly, and the check engine light will not turn off. Another typical failure, especially in cars with several years on them, is worn ignition coils or spark plugs. When a spark plug does not ignite the mixture properly or a coil starts to fail, the engine shows misfires, vibrations, and loss of power. The computer detects this immediately because that cylinder is not working as it should, and turns on a light to warn you that something is not burning the fuel correctly. And finally, one of the most feared, the catalytic converter. When the check engine light turns on due to a catalytic converter problem, it is usually not the beginning of the issue, but the consequence of other previous failures, such as damaged sensors or constant misfires. The converter overheats, loses efficiency, and the ECU detects it. Here we are talking about an expensive repair, but many times it could have been avoided by addressing earlier warnings in time. That is why, when the check engine light comes on, it does not always mean turn the car off right now, but it is also not a light to ignore. Ideally, the vehicle should be scanned, the code causing the alert understood, and action taken before a small fault turns into a big problem.